16 weird but true things your dog can actually do. You think a wagging tail means a happy dog, right? Not always. We all love seeing that tail go crazy when we walk through the door. But there's actually a lot more going on. The way your dog wags can tell you exactly how they're feeling. A soft, slow wag usually means they're relaxed or friendly. But a stiff, fast wag held up high, that could mean your dog is on alert or even feeling anxious. And here's the really cool part: studies show dogs wag more to the right when they're happy and to the left when they're unsure. Their tail is like a little emotional GPS. So next time your pup's tail is going, take a second look. They might be telling you something important. Has your dog ever wagged their tail but didn't seem happy?
Ever looked at your sleeping dog and wondered, what are they dreaming about? Scientists have actually studied dog sleep, and here's the heart melter. Dogs do dream, and they're often dreaming about you. Just like us, dogs go through REM sleep. That's the stage where dreaming happens. And since they spend so much of their day with you, their brains replay moments with their favorite human, you. So those little tail wags, twitchy paws, and sleepy barks? Chances are they're chasing tennis balls or reliving cuddles with you. Pretty sweet, right? If your dog's ever dreamed with a smile on their face, ever yawned? And your dog yawned right after? That's not a coincidence. Your pup might actually be emotionally syncing with you. Studies show dogs can catch yawns from their favorite humans, just like we do from people we care about. It's called contagious yawning, and it's linked to empathy. The stronger your bond, the more likely your dog is to copy your yawn. It's one of the many quiet, beautiful ways dogs show they're connected to us. So the next time your dog yawns right after you, don't brush it off. It's a little sign they feel you. Ever tested this with your pup? Try yawning and see what happens. Did you know your dog might actually be able to count? It sounds wild, but science backs it up. In a study published in Biology Letters, researchers showed dogs a set number of treats, then secretly removed one. When the number didn't match what the dogs expected, they stared longer, clearly confused. That's because dogs have something called numerical competence, the ability to recognize small quantities. They're not doing math like humans, but they can tell when something's off, especially when it's food. So yeah, if you think you can sneak one less treat without them noticing, don't even try. They're watching. And they're counting. Your dog doesn't just listen to your voice. They feel your mood. Studies show dogs can pick up on human emotions through tone, pitch, and even facial expressions. They know when you're happy or stressed just by the sound of your voice. One study even found dogs' brains light up in similar ways to ours when hearing emotions. That tail wag during your bad day? It's on purpose. Dogs don't just hear, they understand. Ever had your dog comfort you out of nowhere? Your dog knows when it's dinner time, walk time, even bathroom time. But how? Dogs are routine pros. Their brains thrive on structure, and they pick up on your daily habits faster than you think. It's not just the clock. It's the sound of your shoes, the way you stretch, the jingle of your keys. They're constantly observing. That's why a slight change in your schedule can throw them off. They notice everything. Does your dog know your routine better than you do? Dogs and math? Yep. Your pup can actually count. Researchers found that dogs can tell the difference between quantities, like 1 treat versus 3 treats. In one study, dogs stared longer at unexpected numbers, like when 2 treats disappeared and only 1 was left. It's not algebra, but it shows dogs have a basic sense of numbers called numerical cognition. So if your pup gives you side-eye after you accidentally give them fewer treats, they probably know. Ever been outsmarted by your dog's treat math? Newborn puppies can't see or hear anything, not at first. Pups are born completely deaf and blind. Their eyes and ears are sealed shut to keep them safe while their tiny bodies develop. It takes about 2 weeks before they open their eyes, and another week for their hearing to kick in. So when you see a newborn puppy squirming around, they're using only touch and smell to find their mom. Nature makes them vulnerable, but also incredibly resilient. Ever seen baby pups with their eyes closed? Your dog isn't just picking up on tone, they're learning your words. Some dogs can recognize over 100 human words, and not just sit and walkies. One famous pup named Chaser knew over 1,000 toy names and could find each one on command. Your dog is constantly learning your voice, your tone, and even full phrases over time. So yes, when you spell BATH, they know. What word sends your dog zooming into action? Did you know dogs can tell identical twins apart just by smell? In a study published in Behavioral Processes, trained dogs were given scent samples from twins who lived together and ate the same food. The result? They were 100% accurate at matching each scent to the right twin, something even DNA tests can't always do. Their noses are just that powerful. So, do you think your dog could tell you apart from your sibling or best friend? Tail chasing can be adorable, but sometimes it's a red flag. Puppies often chase their tails for fun. It's new, exciting, and hey, it's attached to them. But if your adult dog is doing it obsessively, it could signal boredom, anxiety, or even a medical issue. Some breeds are more prone to this, especially if they don't get enough mental stimulation. So if your pup is spinning like a furry tornado, make sure it's fun, not stress. Does your dog do the spin dance? Hold up, did you know dogs have a third eyelid? It's called the nictitating membrane, and it helps protect their eyes and keep them moist. Think of it as a built-in windshield wiper that keeps their vision clear and healthy. You don't usually see it, but when dogs are tired or sick, you might catch a glimpse. This hidden eyelid is just one of the ways dogs stay sharp and ready for action. Comment I if you've seen your dog's third eye. Your dog isn't just cute. They're emotional geniuses. Dogs can actually read human facial expressions and tone to understand how you're feeling. Whether you're happy, sad, or angry, your pup picks up on it and reacts accordingly. They even mirror your mood sometimes, making them one of the most empathetic animals on the planet. So next time you're feeling down, your dog probably knows and wants to cheer you up. Ever wonder how your dog always knows when it's mealtime or when you're about to come home? Dogs actually have a sense of time. Research shows they can detect how long you've been gone by changes in light, scent, and even body rhythms. One study found that dogs greeted their owners more enthusiastically after 2 hours than just 30 minutes. They can't read clocks, but their internal rhythm is surprisingly accurate. Does your dog wait for you like clockwork? Ever sniffed your dog's paws and thought, why do they smell like popcorn? That warm, nutty scent actually comes from natural bacteria that live on your dog's feet, mainly Proteus and Pseudomonas. It's totally normal and usually harmless. It just mixes with sweat and fur oils to create that signature snack smell. So no, your pup isn't secretly making popcorn, just being delightfully dog. Did you ever notice that smell? Let us know in the comments and follow for more positive discoveries. Did you know some dogs can sense a seizure before it even starts? Trained seizure alert dogs have been shown to detect subtle changes in a person's scent, behavior, or body chemistry, and they can sometimes predict a seizure up to an hour in advance. These amazing dogs can alert their owner, get help, or even position themselves to protect the person from injury. This is one of the most incredible ways dogs help save lives. Had you heard of seizure alert dogs before? Tell us in the comments, and follow for more positive discoveries.